What is a Forex rebate? A Forex rebate is a cashback or commission that traders receive for every trade they make, regardless of whether the trade is profitable or not. It is a form of reward provided by brokers or third-party rebate providers as an incentive for traders to increase their trading activity. Rebates help lower trading costs by returning a portion of the spread or commission back to the trader. How does a Forex rebate work? 1. Trader opens an account. The trader registers with a Forex broker through a rebate provider or directly with the broker offering rebates. 2. Trades are executed. The trader starts trading as usual, opening and closing positions in the Forex market. 3. Rebates are earned. For each trade executed, a portion of the spread or commission paid to the broker is refunded as a rebate. 4th, rebate payment. Rebates are usually credited daily, weekly, or monthly, depending on the broker or rebate provider's payment policy. The trader can withdraw these funds or use them for further trading. Importance of Forex rebates. 1. Reduces trading costs. Rebates lower the effective trading costs by refunding a portion of the spread or commission. 2. Profit even from losing trades. Since rebates are earned on all trades, traders can still receive some returns even when a trade results in a loss. 3. Increases trading volume. Rebates encourage traders to execute more trades, potentially enhancing their profitability. 4. Passive income. Rebates provide an additional revenue stream that accumulates over time. 5. Enhances trading strategy efficiency. With lower costs, traders can implement more strategies with better cost efficiency. Conclusion: Forex rebates are a valuable tool for traders looking to maximize their returns and reduce trading costs. Whether a trader is new or experienced, using a rebate program can significantly enhance overall profitability in Forex trading.